am super excited to announce R3 as the flagship product for Dr. Studio. R3 stands for Regenerate, Regulate, and Rebuild. R3 contains the highest concentration of velvet antler extract available anywhere, and we source this product directly from the farm. That is very important that you realize. We know the source of every ingredient of our products. It's the highest quality, the concentration is real and can be depended upon. When I say regenerate, velvet antler extract contains a multitude of growth factors and amino acids that actually have an effect on your body, from energy to quality of sleep to muscle growth to insulin sensitivity to fat burning, clarity of thinking. You will perform better at your workplace, you'll perform better in bed, you will have better memory, just a better quality of life all around. We see improvement in your immune system, your skin, bone density. The growth factors in this thing are amazing, and it's super, super simple. Just a dropper full every morning under the tongue in 90 days. That's what I hope that you will give any product, really. 90 days to see benefit. I don't think you will ever want to live without this product. We've worked really hard to put R3 together, as well as the other products that we are introducing on a regular basis. We're working hard to make sure that we understand exactly how these things are supposed to affect your body, and that we are transparent with what to expect for results. Give it a 90-day try, and I really would love to hear what you think. Thanks and good luck. Be well.